Kani gade Pati CTV.
Red FM Radio, hakan kanti kalami perthai surok, menyalap neban penyak yawik cingrai. Henry kakan hon jong kani radio station kalami dak wai pat kajing mud. Kata ban kren bat yalap sekipai ba halor kajing yadai kimerat. Bat ban omle atamet yaki. Ki RJ jong Red FM radio station hak arp khundai terek ubnai risau balala. Kilami syaki surok bat le yalap sekipai ba. Ban amle banya ki ksau klam trai ki ba em ha ki benta ba per jong konong ba shilom.
Pen ika kajing mensim ba karon jing solem moy kining marat ba mde bangen syuong ba tambi ki ksau ngen le kat bomon hendring ben treat iki with equal respect. Since this is the first time, the response is not so big, and we hope and we believe that by next year, maybe on a regular basis, we can be able to organize these kinds of programs, you know, in different localities of Shillong, not just in Shillong, but maybe outside Shillong. Tekolong kajing stang kajongi, kermen ru uling baka medium kajongi uling baka Red FM, ilaban create sisuk awareness ban batai sipat ba sepang kajing koridor jongi ni kimara.
So today's program was awesome. Like the people who've come, like it just proves how many dog lovers are there in Shillong and how many animal lovers. It's good to show, like, you know, how many people are here to help protect the stray dogs and protect them from all the firecrackers and how, you know, animals, how much animal cruelty is there in Shillong.
Kaan kaladon lupa na Supreme Court ba ngimsya bangin kem ni kinu ki so badan hasurok banbu haka shelter ne haka pound bali kilaong ba any dogs, stray dogs, they have the rights, they have their own rights. Kidon la ka hok la jong kini so surok badan tegum ba kikili ki breyangi ba filas dang ka society finle gum no kini ki so surok kinangmut ba ngin ya kem ya ki ngin bo be haka wai ka jaka tang ba ngakwa banong ya barakhat ba ka process kamyat kumta kamsha ka aningi banginya anta ka hikayangi ba yakitu gikso badano surok ngin shim tang daki mensaw ngin shim por bagi mensaw ngin eye treatment yaki ngin sapelai no biang ha ka jaka bakidon bali kinu ki marat shubu ba kilak shubu ngishim example marat bakha happy uni ukso bakha happy uladi ukso surok jong pibi Tementang imla ban shushimbe ngin bu be haka shelter ne haka pound. Bali ki de ki belonging from the PB area. Te ki ngila tang ban shim ban vaccinate yaki. Te ki bri ki de ban sutho ba ni ki stray animal rescue society ngi don hangne ban yarap ya phikum ka society. Mde lang ba ngin kharna ba ro khai ki so surak. Ba kamsha ka ani ngi ban le amta.
Kani gade Pati CTV.